Today I'd like to demonstrate some features of TuneUp for Windows Phone 7. We'll just start the phone up, slide the lock screen out of the way, and you can see TuneUp has been stuck to the main start menu. We'll just click on that, program loads up, and it begins recording whatever sound is going on in the room. Now, just to prove I don't have anything up my sleeve, I'll show you a tuning note played by a metronome and quartz tuner. As you can see, the note was exactly on A, 440, and there was a number 0 on the right hand side. That indicates how far out the note was from the center of the note. Now, as this is an electronic tuner, you'd expect it to be exactly 0. Okay, now I'll play the note C on my piano, and we'll see what the tuner actually says it comes out at. I'd expect it to be 0 because it's electronic, but let's just find out. As you can see, the numbers were varying between sort of 3 and 5, so we'll just adjust this electronic piano, because it does have a tuning function, to have a different offset. So we'll set the tuning to -5, and we'll do it again. We'll play this note C, and we'll see if it corrects it. As you can see, 5 is a little bit out, so we'll go back and change it to -4. Try it again. Everything should be set up to go. And as you can see, we're now spot on. The tuner is a chromatic tuner, which means that it will read any note. So, apart from just playing C or A, we can play any note on the scale. So I'll just run through them quickly so we can see C sharp, D, As you can see, it can read any note. But that's not all. It also works for transposing instruments like the trumpet or the clarinet. To work with a transposing instrument, the first thing we do is change the key on the tuner. So we push the little button there. We select the instrument. So this is trumpet, clarinet. That's in the key of B flat. Okay. Now this piano can also play other instruments. So we'll just quickly change it to be a different instrument and the transposition. So a B flat instrument is 2 semitones down. So we set it to transpose -2. And we will change the instrument to a trumpet, and if we now play a C, you'll see that the tuner correctly displays the note C, because on a trumpet that is how a C sounds. I hope this has been a useful demonstration of how TuneUp works on Windows Phone 7, and I look forward to having you as a customer.